Today, we're diving into the viral TikTok fail surrounding the snake eyes piercing. It's had over 50 million views and sparked intense discussion about its high complication rates.
I saw that. The video showed the influencer's tongue swelling dramatically. It's shocking how fast that went viral.
Absolutely. The statistics are staggering. 40 to 60% complication rates due to the design of the piercing. The shear forces on the tongue can exceed 2 nanoCentimeters.
What's particularly concerning is how studios ignore these shear forces. Why aren't they more focused on the science behind it?
It's a mix of lack of knowledge and the allure of trends. The anatomy of the tongue just isn't suited for this kind of piercing.
Right, and I've noticed that many artists use cheap materials. You mentioned 316L surgical steel, but that's not ideal in this context.
Exactly. That material's corrosion in saliva is high, leading to complications. Studies have shown that it can release harmful nickel ions.
What alternatives should artists consider instead? I assume there's a better direction.
Definitely. Using grade 23 titanium for subdermals with a barb design can cut migration risk down to just 10%.
That's a huge difference. Why are barbs so effective compared to smooth beads?
Barbs create better retention, preventing movement that leads to complications. Smooth beads simply can't hold their ground under shear forces.
That makes sense. But what about the healing process? Is there a difference in time between these options?
Yes, the healing time for snake eyes can be 4 to 8 weeks, while alternatives like vertical tongue piercings often heal in 3 to 6 weeks.
So choosing the right piercing not only affects complications, but also how quickly someone can heal.
Exactly, and pre-piercing diagnostics like CBCT scans are crucial for assessing individual risk factors.
Those scans can tell you about bone density, which is essential to avoid complications.
Correct. If the bone density is below 1200 milligram of a centimeter, the piercing should be rejected outright.
What about aftercare? I've heard that education plays a big role in recovery.
Absolutely. Enforcing a no-chew protocol for 6 weeks can reduce infection rates by 70%.
That's a significant number. It seems like communication with clients is key.
Yes, without proper education, clients may end up with infections or worse.
It's a harsh reality, especially when you consider the rise in ER visits related to body mods.
Indeed, CDC stats show a 300% uptick linked to these trends. It's imperative that studios take responsibility.
To wrap this up, what's the takeaway for both clients and piercers?
Stick to scientifically backed methods and materials. Educate yourself and your clients. It's crucial for safety.
Great advice. Always vet both the artist and the materials to ensure a safe and healthy body art experience.